Hi, good morning, everyone. Sorry to bother you.
Good morning.
Sorry, I was confused with like other link. I was waiting there.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
So quickly, I will share my screen. So I think you guys have seen the syllabus, right? And like Durga, so okay. See, this is what like Docker syllabus, and again the Kubernetes services, and yeah, and again the Kubernetes services, load balancing, Kubernetes storage, and again the configuration of Kubernetes workloads, and also like scheduling the jobs, and again security, and again the networking point, and again the backup and restore, monitoring, troubleshooting, and again the finally projects, the combination of Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, KNS with like optional Argo CD. Okay, right? So this is what like overall the Docker and again Kubernetes syllabus. Okay, so now we'll do one thing. So first we can understand today. So what is Jenkins? And again, why we need Jenkins? What is the use of Jenkins? What is the version of Jenkins we are using? And again, how to install Jenkins? And again, how to create a jobs? And again, also like how to create master slave architecture. So today we can see this. Basically, yeah, in the beginning, DevOps is nothing but like it is a collaboration between developer and again operations, right? Meanwhile, DevOps is a tools. We need to understand like how to connect the dots from one tool to multiple tools. Like it is an example, like it is a simple way we call it as a demultiplexer or else like multiplexer. Okay, right? Example, what is a multiplexer here? Any idea? Multiplexer.
Sir, like your voice is a little bit slow, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, your voice is a little bit slow. So can you?
Oh, okay, one second. Now is it okay, right?
Yeah, yes, sir, fine.
Okay. Anyway. So Mohammed is new journey today. Okay. Yeah. So generally, what is the DevOps? DevOps is nothing but it is a collaboration between developer and again operations. Meanwhile, and also it is also nothing but like it is a collection of tools. We need to understand the connectivity of dots from one tool to other tool, right? So Jenkins is a plugin based tool, and again it is a completely open source tool, right? So this is what like basically introduction about like the general information about the DevOps. And again, yesterday we have seen that continuous gathering, continuous planning, continuous development, continuous testing, continuous integration, continuous delivery, continuous deployment, continuous monitoring, continuous security, continuous notification, continuous log activities, and again continuous feedback, and again continuous documentations. To achieve this DevOps life cycle phases, we require multiple stages, right? Those stages are nothing but like continuous integration, delivery, and again deployment. So your continuous integration is nothing but like, so what do you mean by like continuous integration? Any idea? So basically we can start quickly like CI and again CD part. So why nowadays very important for the CI CD? What is CI and again CD, right? What is CI CD? Any idea?
Continuous integration and continuous deployment.
Okay, that's cool. Continuous delivery, continuous deployment, continuous integration, that's fine. Like it's a basically general definition. But what exactly it means?
It's like an automated process of deployment, and whatever the change we made continuously, it will going to background, it will going to update.
Any other? Okay, so now we'll draw like quickly one diagram so to understand on this. This is a Jenkins. Okay, this is a tool number 1, source code management tool. This is a tool number 2, and again this is the okay tool number 3. And again, this is a tool number 4. Fine. Then we can take this. Right. Now, this this whole part, okay, this whole part we call it as right. And again, in this case, what is the tool here we are using? Source code management tool. Code scan. Is it visible, right? No, is it clear, right, everyone? Are we there?
Yes, Vishwa.
Yes.
See, what is the source code management tools? We have a lot of computation tool in our current market, right? First, we can take like basically source code management tool, or else also it is also called as a version control system in one of the tool GitHub. Okay, developers will be pushing their source code into the source code management tool. From there, we should do unit testing in between before doing the code scan. Before doing the code scan, they will also do, sorry. What they will do, Shavya? Any idea? They will do unit testing, smoke, and again sanity testing. Clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah. See, continuous integration. Earlier, there is a era without implementation. Jenkins is available from the past 1990 onwards also, but no one knows that Jenkins previous version tool is called as a Adson. Clear, right? Before the Adson, there is the one more tool. It is the Octopus. Octopus is the topmost favorite tool for everyone. By seeing the Octopus, they implemented Adson. The Adson naming new naming convention is Jenkins. Clear? Meanwhile, these are like open source tools. By implementing these tools, Argo CD also it is available in the picture. Clear? Like this, there is a lot of competition tool like Bamboo, Circle CI, Travis CI, Azure DevOps, and again AWS DevOps, and again Google Cloud DevOps. There is a multiple tools competition for this Jenkins, and again GitHub Actions, and again Bitbucket pipelines also. Clear? Now, developers will be pushing their source code into the source code management tool, and again we should automate the unit testing, smoke testing, and again sanity testing. After that, we should do the code scan by implementing any of the tool like SonarQube. And again after that, like if it is a language with Java, we should use Maven or Gradle. Ant is a previous version of Maven. Maven is a competitive tool for Gradle. Okay, if it is a Java, and again if it is a .NET C#, we should use a MS build. And again, if it is a Node.js, we should use the npm build tool. After building the packages, we should deploy into the binary artifacted tools. Those are like JFrog or Nexus. The automation process of moving a source code from one place to other place. See, from one place to other place as a package. Clear, right? From one source code to other source code is called as a continuous integration. Any confusions here?
Sir, one question here. Can I ask?
Yeah, please.
So, like you're saying that, like for example, if once the developer like complete the development and he pulls the code into Git, right? So like one SCM repository. So then, sir, from that so from Git to like we have to place the jar in the Artifactory. That the process is called CI, right?
Yes, true.
Sir, your voice is not very low, sir.
Is it audible right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, true. Whatever you said, that is true actually.
And sir, this process, sir, we have to we have, because sir, actually I'm new to Jenkins, so like so we have this process like we have to how will this process will happen? We have to because we developer we can push the code, but this code scan and this build and this get in the jar and press into these things we can do through Jenkins, right?
Yes, yeah.
Sir, sorry, again it's slow, sir. Sir, again
Yes,
your voice is low. Yeah,
yeah. Now it is okay, right?
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, actually, sometimes it's getting low, sir. Actually, sir, please.
Now it is okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir. Okay.
whatever you said, like that is true. The automation process of moving a source code. Suppose like if the source code is committed in the source code management tool, automatically we should implement the tools called as any kind of like unit testing tools we should install. And again, after that, like unit testing is passing, then we should do the code scan. The code scan tools, Sonar Cube, by implementing the code scan tools, that is what after that, again, we should build the packages, then again, we should store the artifactory. This process is called as a continuous integration. And again, all these tools, we should add the plugins in the Jenkins, right? And again, basically DevOps is Ike, Park, SAC. I mean, infrastructure as a code, pipeline as a code, security as a code. Infrastructure as a code with a Terraform or Ansible or PowerShell scripting or any kind of scripting. Pipeline as a code with a Jenkins. If we are using Jenkins, then again we should use a Groovy declarative pipeline. And again, security as a code, we should implement with a Python scripting or any kind of Perl scripting, right? This process we called as achievement. DevOps is a Ike, Park, SAC. Simply, what is a DevOps? DevOps is nothing but it is a collection of tools. To achieve the tool, we should understand like how to connect the dots. To connect the dots, we should make that Ike, Park, SAC. Now, in the Jenkins is a open source tool. It is a plugin based tool. In the Jenkins, we can achieve the CI and again CD and again the CD part, continuous integration, delivery, and again deployment part. Now we are discussing about continuous integration. In the continuous integration, as we are now communicating that developer, they will be evenly pushing the code. After that, we should implement the unit testing, smoke testing in the depending upon the which language. After that, unit testing is passing. Then again, we should do the code scanning. Difference between unit testing, smoke testing is raw source code. They will be testing that. The same thing, raw source code, we should scan the code also. And again, after that, code build tool. If it is a Java, we should use a Maven or Gradle. If it is a C# language, we should use a MS build. If it is a Node.js, we should use the NPM build. And again, binary artifactory tools, we should use Nexus or any kind of JFrog. The automation process of moving a raw source code from one place to other place from one place to other place is called as a from one place to other place is called as a continuous integration. Clear, right? Again, this how can we say the automation process? What is that exactly? After developers their source code, they will be pushing their source code into the source code management tool. By that we can pull and again we can implement the smoke testing. After that we can do the code scan. After that we can build and again we can store into the binary artifactory. This is called as continuous integration. Yeah, so I think still any doubts on this? I think who is communicating at the time, like someone is asking a question, who is that?
It's Kiran, sir.
Yeah, Kiran, is it clear, right?
Yeah, sir, clear. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I think Mohammed, Badri, Shavya, Subhash.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah,
It's clear.
thank you. So this is now what is the continuous delivery? Suppose take an example. If we have how many types of environments we will be having? Environments. Basically, we'll be having the 4 environments. Depending upon the company, they have like multiple environments. Okay. The first thing we can take it out. Always, every time is development. We can take the development environment. Here, right? Then again, always we are having a testing environment, then again staging environment. Staging environment. Production environment, right? Now, I want to discuss like here one more thing, CD. And again, these environments, dev environment, staging environment, testing or staging, any kind of stuff. Staging environment.
Sir, staging is UAT or testing or staging or
Yeah, anything. See, basically we call it as a UAT is a staging environment.
yes, sir. UAT like user experience testing, right? That is happened like UAT or you can call staging. Or...
Some companies they used to call different. Okay. Yeah, production environment. The automation process. Continuous delivery without the anyone approval. Without the anyone approval. Without the anyone approval. Deployment into dev and testing. Right? Or staging environments. Deployment is called as continuous. I mean, I can write like this, CV delivery. Right? Without the anyone approval. Who is the approval here? JENKINS is a stakeholder. And again, product owner is Subhash. And again, the system architect is Mahmoud. And again, Badrinas is a project manager. And again, Kiran is a senior developer. Right? So these are the without anyone approval deploying. Vishwanath is a junior developer. Right? Without the anyone approval, deployment into the dev environment and again testing environment. After successful of CI. After successfully done with CI, implementing without the anyone approval, deploying into the dev environment and against testing environment is called as a continuous delivery. Clear, right? Then again, last but least, what is a continuous deployment? With the approval of stakeholder, product owner, project manager, system architect, senior developers, and again checklist approval of that mail deployment. So then again doing the deployment into the production environment and again UAT environment is called as a continuous deployment. Here we need to understand still in the global level, the perfect answers, this is one. Still many of them they're having a confusions. Delivery is vice versa of a deployment or deployment is a vice versa of a delivery. But whatever I'm saying now, this is a perfect. Continuous delivery is nothing but without the anyone approval. And again, deployment is nothing but with the approval of the all these engineers. Clear, right? This is what CI, CD we can achieve through the Jenkins. Clear, right? But these environments might be in the on-premises, might be in the cloud. Okay. For that, like either Terraform, either Python, either any kind of scripting we should implement here. And again, the plugins we should install the cloud. And again, any on-premises. And again, these environments need to communicate. That is a configuration team. To do as a DevOps engineer. Clear, right? Any confusions?
Sir, that means sir, one question like that means sir, we have to write Jenkins pipeline for doing CI process and CD process also, right?
Yes, the CD process also will do. Yeah.
That means in that Jenkins file we have both the things, right? Right?
Yes. Yeah. In the Jenkins.
Or sir, environment to environment that file should be different.
What is like bit? Yeah. Can you please tell me again?
No, sir. I am saying that, for example, we are doing continuous integration through Jenkins, right? And continuous delivery through Jenkins. My question
Yes.
is what? We need to create the Jenkins pipeline means we have to create a configuration file, right? Like using Jenkins, right? So the configuration file should be contain both CI and CD, like the pipeline in stages, right?
Yes, we should achieve this one through like this. Okay, right?
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Shavya, Mohammed, Kiran, Swash. Are we good to understand?
Yes, Vishwa.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now, so I think this is what CI and again CD, this we can achieve through any kind of GitHub actions, Bitbucket pipelines, Jenkins pipeline, and also Azure DevOps pipeline, and again AWS Code pipeline, and again Google Cloud pipelines, multiple tools like Bamboo pipelines, Circle CI pipeline, Travis CV pipeline. There's a lot of competition tool. Even though Arco CD, Octopus, many more. Yeah, right? So this is what CI/CD prospect is. Again, one more time, last time, continuous delivery is nothing but without the N1 approval, deploying to the dev environment, testing or staging environment, doing the deployment is called as a continuous delivery. Deployment is nothing but with the approval of all these engineers deploying to the UAT and again production environment is called as a continuous deployment. Now, so the automation process of moving a source code from one place to other place is called as a continuous integration. This is a short format I'm using to say that. In between that automation process, what and all the process, it involves unit testing, smoke testing, sanity testing, code scanning, and again after code scanning, we should use the code. And again, after building the packages also we should do. Anyone, we can do this. Clear? Yeah.
Sir,
So,
your voice is breaking, sir, in between, sir.
sorry?
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir. Like when you're speaking, right? Like 2, 3 seconds it is break and it like an start.
Now it is okay, right?
Yeah, now it's fine,
Yeah,
sir.
now it is, sir.
Yeah.
Because we
That's
miss
what.
some words, right, for you for side, right? So that's why like
Okay. Yeah. Confirm. Yeah, that's what. Yeah. Anyway, so meanwhile, all this we should achieve through the Jenkins. Yes. So now can I move to the Jenkins installation and again access the installation of Jenkins? Clear, right? Are we okay?
Yes.
yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
So I think everyone is having a AWS account. I think if it is not having, please create a AWS account. I think how many of them are familiar with AWS?
Actually, I used to have an AWS account, but it has been expired. I just have Azure account. Is that okay?
Ah, that's cool. Azure account is also fine. I think how long back you opened Azure account?
I think it's been 2 years.
Sorry, 2 years means it is
Yeah,
only
they give only 1 year, right?
yeah 1 year, and in meanwhile they will give only subscription for only 1 month. We can practice it.
Yeah, yes. I have student Azure account.
Oh, we can access it permanently, right?
Yeah, it's for 1 year.
Okay, okay, good. Anyway, any account is fine. Anything is fine. No issues. So who is not having, please create a AWS account.
Sir, like I have a AWS account, but sir, I don't know, sir. I don't have knowledge in AWS.
Well, like I'll show how much the information we required from the AWS account, launching the servers, adding the port numbers. That's what like I can say in this. If you want to depth knowledge about like AWS cloud services, then again there is a separate sessions on that.
Yes, Okay, sir. So like if when
Yeah.
you give an example, right, sir, please cover like like so that we can cope up right little bit in AWS, right? So because at least creating the server because I don't know actually sir how to create all the server.
Yeah, that I will show now.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Basically, now it is AWS account. I'm running like one of the instance here. Okay. So I want to switch. Okay, better. UK only better. Let me go to the France. So this is a dashboard. See how we need to go after creating your AWS account. After logging into this dashboard, this is a navigation pane. The blue color, I mean dark blue, and again the left side is a navigation pane. Okay. Now services. The first thing you should click on this services. These many services we do have here. If you want servers, click on compute. See, click on compute. In the compute section, you should click on this EC2, virtual servers in the cloud. In the Azure machines, we are having a virtual machines. In the Google Cloud, we are having a compute engines. Clear, right? Yes. So now in the compute, again, one more time, services, compute, EC2 instances. Launch, click on this page. Automatically, this page will redirect to this dashboard. Yeah. And again, here, click on the left side instances. The left side instances. Yeah, right. Someone is running Thursday here. Terminate. After doing the lab, we should terminate this one, or else the account will get expired because there'll be simply like keep on suspending the account. Okay. Now, so instances, launch instances. I think this session is recording, right? Yeah, recording. Yeah, so now this page will come. There are 7 steps to launch virtual machines. The first one, what is the name I want to give for this machine? The naming tag I can give demo DevOps. Here, I mean that is Jenkins machine, Jenkins master machine. Now, the first step is tagging of the instances. This is not the machine name. This is a tagging. That's it. Okay. Next. AMI application and again voice images, Amazon missing images. AMI means it is a ready-made operating system. Which operating system we need to take? The second step, we can choose this one. Amazon Linux machine or Ubuntu or Windows or Red Hat or SUSE or like Debian. All these are like 1 year. It is a free tier account. You can launch any of the operating system here. Clear, right? But now I am taking the operating system Linux, Amazon Linux. Amazon Linux is a Amazon proprietary Linux, which was completely built by Red Hat machines and also supported by Red Hat. Now there are like multiple operating systems, Linux 2023 and again Linux 2 AMI, but better I will be taking Linux 2 AMI. Depending upon that, you can choose Linux 2 AMI or Ubuntu anything AMIs. Okay, I'm choosing Linux 2 AMI. The reason because still 2023 is lot of dependencies and again some of the dependencies are missing there, so it is not a stable. So that's why I'm taking Linux 2. Okay. And now this is the first step, tagging. Second step, Amazon machine image. Third step, this is like which architecture we should take, 8664. Next, third step, instance type, 1 core CPU, 1 GB RAM. It is a 1 year free tier account, only free eligible only you should take. If you take like some other one, it will launch, but still you should pay the money if the account got suspended. Clear, better I can take T2.micro only. Third step. Fourth step, key pair. Here we should create a key pair. What is the key pair? I can give Jenkins master, Jenkins master. And again here, how to connect from Windows machine to Linux machine. I think everyone is having the idea, right? Mohammed Reddy.
No, sir.
No one?
So don't know.
Okay, Kiran, I got Mohammed, Badri, Shravya, Subhash.
YASSH or Putty. Mobile stuff or Putty.
Okay, Mohammed, for you also know, I think everyone. Badri, Shravya.
I don't know, Vishwa.
You know or you don't know?
I don't know.
Okay. See, I think many of them know, and again, few of them are not knowing here. Fine. So this is what the connectivity of nodes. I mean, generally, how to connect from Windows machine to Windows machine, from one Windows machine to other Windows machine through RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol. They should enable the port number 3389. Same thing, I want to connect Windows machine to Linux machine. There is a third-party tool called as a, there are a lot of third-party tools, but the common third-party tool is Putty. We should download the Putty. Everyone should need to download in your local laptop in the Putty. So if I click on the Putty, automatically Putty will come here. So download Putty. Why Putty? Because we should connect through the Putty to the Linux machine. Clear? Now go to the Putty, download Putty. Okay. Then again you can download your operating system Windows, right? You can download the first one only, depending upon the operating system architecture. Clear? Then coming back, key pair. Why I should give the key pair? For the first time login to the that EC2 machine, with the safely. So that's why I'm connecting to the Putty. I should give the PPK. If you're using the SSH, then again I can give the PM only. In upcoming classes, we can understand what exactly this is. But now I want to use the Putty, so that's why I'm creating the PPK, Putty private key. Now create a key pair. Now after that, for the Jenkins machine, in the networking settings, fourth step, you should add the networking settings, edit, and again you should add the security groups. The rules you should add port number 8080 for Jenkins, custom TCP, here port number 8080. And again, you should access from anywhere from the global network. Okay, this is, and again the storage, if you want to give the volume storage, 10 GB you can add. And advanced details, if you want to run anything after launching. So this is what you can require, or else like you can skip. Now, how many instances I want to learn? Only one instance. Again, recall, first one is tag. Second one is you should choose the Amazon machine image. I've chosen this one. Third one is like you should choose T2.micro. Depending upon your use cases, you can go with like 4-core CPU, 32 GB RAM also you can go. Okay. Key pair. You should give the key pair. If it is already key pair is available here, you can take this. Or else I can take this, any kind of key pairs. Okay. Then again, this is what, and again you should open the port number 8080. And again, one instance, launch instance. Is it clear, right, everyone?
Sir, like one question. So, what is the use of security group, sir? Can you please explain?
Security groups are nothing but it is a firewall. If I open the port number, then only we can able to access it.
Okay, that means you are saying that. So, for example, okay, when we create this, because we create an instance, right? Okay, that means we create a server, right? So to connect to this server, we need to give some port number, and we need to have some firewall connection, right? Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Now click on instances after launching this page, or else like you can go to the view on instances, or else you can click on instances here only. It will take to this page. Now, how to connect to this machine? Click on Jenkins master, and again here you can drag down here like this. So you can check instance state, micro, initializing. This is a region, Paris region, IPv4. Basically, these are regions, public IP. And again, which key pair I have given here? Key pair name is Jenkins master, and again Linux. Okay, right? Now, coming to the point, 1339. This is a public IP, status alarm, monitoring, security, networking, storage, everything. In the security, if you want to change any port numbers, you can click on this security groups in the security. Just you should do navigation. Okay. Now scroll left. Now I want to check the details.
So port number is a default, na? Or we can able to change also.
No, because Linux machine default port number is 22. It will open it, but it should be installed in that machine. So that's why I opened the port number 8080. So you can check here security. In the security, you can click on this launch wizard. And again, see here, I have opened the two port numbers. One is 2022 8080. What is the 2022? Port number 2022 is a Linux machine port number where we can connect. Example, it is a door. If they open a door only, then again we can log into the machine. So doors are nothing but simple to understand port numbers. Right?
80 means default for this AWS
Jenkins. No.
Jenkins.
88 is a Jenkins default port number. 2022 is only 22 is a Linux machine port number.
Okay.
Yes. Now getting back is to collect the public IP. So you can choose like this public IP. Public IP. And open your putty. Already I have installed the putty in my machine. Open this. You can paste the IP address. Our shit. Hello? Our shit. Worship is a Bengal with me, large worship. None location transporting the location ready. Okay. So in a class within a location transport. No, not class within I think transport. Clear, right? So where is the public IP here? Is it audible everyone?
Yes, sir. Whatever.
Session, public IP, and again after that, connections. Please see here everyone. First one, go to session, paste the public IP here. Port number 2022 is only 22 is open. Connections, SSH, expand this one. Inside this, click on Auth, expand this one, credentials. Here we need to upload which one? PPK file, whatever we downloaded. Browse on the other end. And again here, Jenkins master, click on open. Now open. Accept, okay?
Sir, like we are connecting to our Linux machine, right? Like our Amazon Linux, right?
Exactly, yeah. And again accept.
Okay.
And one more time, also from the beginning. Copy the public IP address. Copy the public IP address. Open the putty. Paste it. And again here, connections, SSH. Click on expand this one. And again, Auth, expand this one. Credentials, browse. And again, Jenkins master. And again, after that, click on open. Now the machine will come here, login, EC2-user. By default, this machine user is a EC2-user. How come this come to know this one? You can get it out on this, right? So out to this, connect. See here, click on connect. In the connect, we can also connect with a GUI mode only, but that is not a good way to connect. So by default, username is notified here. See, EC2-user. Clear, right? By default is EC2-user. If you launch any machines also, how to find out the username? Click on this, connect. Username is here, EC2-user. EC2 instance connect, EC2-user. You can also connect with like this. So you can click on connect, it will connect here. But why I need to use the putty? Because it is a completely privacy will be there, and again meanwhile it will be responding like properly. I can do the lot of copy and you can paste options, but in this console we cannot able to do all this kind of stuff because it is a secret. And again anyone can hack this one. See, same machine only. Right? This way also we can connect. Now I want to install. So if I want to increase the font, click on top right side, change settings, colors, make it out to use system colors, appearance, change. I'm making the fonts white color, bold, and again here 14. Click on OK. And again color, I'm making the white color, system colors, apply. See, now the system is in white. Now I want to install here Jenkins. I want to install first Java. Jenkins is Java build tool. Java is a dependency for the Jenkins. You should install the Jenkins minimum 1.11 version. Yeah, right? So now I want to go sudo. Generally in Ubuntu machine, we will run the command like this apt, or else we will be running the command m. But this is Amazon Linux machine, right? So that's why we should use the command Amazon Linux extras list. This is a simple command. These many packages will be available here. Run the command. See these
Sir,
many
like
packages.
sir, like we can also use sir Ubuntu, right? Because
Yeah, any machine is fine. But I'm
okay,
using
okay,
Amazon Linux
okay, sir, yeah,
because
fine.
I'm loyal to the AWS cloud. So that's why I want to use only Amazon. Just kidding.
You know,
Yeah, okay. Java Open JDK 11. Okay. Now sudo same command you can run Amazon install, and again you can install this one Open JDK 11. You can press Y. Y means install yes. In between it will be asking the prompting. If I want to install, press yes. If you don't want, press no. So, but I don't want to enter into the in between. So that's why now I'm giving like this. Press 5. Yes. Done. Now clear the screen. If you know the Linux commands, that's great. If it doesn't know, clear the screen. Now I want to install Jenkins. Java is installed. If you check how to install, how to verify that Java is installed or not, like this, you can run the command Java version, typo error, like this. Java version, the command OpenJDK 11.0.23, like this. Yeah. Now I want to install the Jenkins. How to install the Jenkins? Go to your download Jenkins source. You can click on simply Jenkins. It will take the default path of this home path. Click on Jenkins. This is this guy. This is a home page of the Jenkins. This is the default dashboard. Now we'll go back download. Click on the download and deploy it. Stable one, long-term support only, you should download it. Weekly releases. Now long-term support. Now long-term support. The version we are using 2.452.1. Now here our operating system is Red Hat machine. So how to verify that one? It is a Red Hat. So you can check here. If you run the command Java version, it will show the Red Hat. Or else you can run the command cat/etc. Which operating system here? You can check this. See Amazon Linux, CentOS, RHEL, Red Hat Enterprises Linux, Fedora. This company has been given the ID to him. Okay, like this. So now Red Hat, Fedora, CentOS. You can click on this, and again you can copy these two packages. First, it will download the repository. Click OK. Then again, run the command. It will create a repository. A repository is successfully created here, where it is in the etc m repos.t. The repository will be added. Then, second command, you can install the key. Copy this, and you can run the command. Clear the screen, and again run the command sudo. Now, how many commands I ran here? Overall 4 commands. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, 6 command to install the Java. Okay. Now I want to install the Jenkins. Copy this. Enter. Sudo run the command like this. -y. Now I'm installing the Jenkins. Enter.
Sir, like without installing JDK, we can install Jenkins. Is there any dependency with Jenkins?
Sorry.
Like I'm guessing, like first we install the JDK, right? So then install Jenkins. Like I'm saying that is there any dependency with Jenkins? Like without the JDK, we can install Jenkins like that.
Without installing the Java JDK, we cannot able to download the Jenkins, and again it will not work.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now, this screen, Jenkins is installed. Jenkins is installed. Whether it is installed or how to check. Sudo rpm -qa and again grep Jenkins. This is a command. You can check like this. Jenkins is installed. Fine. Now I want to start the Jenkins. How to start the Jenkins? Sudo service Jenkins status. Whether it is running or not, I can check. This is the now it is inactive. Inactive means it is a dead position. It is not started. Now I want to start manually. How to start? The same command, you can run the command. It will do start activities. I mean active mode. It will take like some couple of minutes to start the mission. Now up arrow. Now the command check this whether the Jenkins is running or not. Run the command status. See now it is in active. Mohammed, Badri, Kiran, Shavya. Okay, Shavya we can call it as a Billa, Pravas Billa. Is it audible, right?
Yeah, Vishwa.
Yeah, I think now you are Lady Billa then. Just kidding, okay? Fine. All right, so everyone, now it is a Jenkins is started. Now I want to check. Now I minimize this one. How to browse? Go to the institute machine, copy the public IP again. Here. Array, why it is? Copy the public IP. After copying the public IP, what we should do? We should browse it in browser with port number 8080. See, this is what. Then again, browse it. Now the Jenkins is loading. Clear? Now, we should copy the password for the first time to log into this machine. Where it is stored in the Linux machine, if you are aware with the Linux machine operating system deeply, then in the location variable folder, library folder, the Jenkins will be stored here, secrets folder in that initial admin password. You can copy this completely. You can copy this and again you can open your Linux machine here. And now clear the screen. Now sudo cat is a command to display the output of this file. Okay, now if I enter here, the password is coming here. You can copy this password, minimize it, and again paste it, continue. Yeah. Now click never install suggested plugin by default. Click on this. It will take like some couple of minutes. If our internet is good, it will go like immediately.
Sir, this is Jenkins installation process or like what, sir? Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. Hello. Yes, Kiran.
Okay, sir. Got it. Thank
Yeah. Quickly have other batch now.
you. Sir, like, are you taking, sir, like, AWS, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
Taking it. Okay, sir. Actually, okay.
Your username, any default username like admin. Okay, better we can take Villa password, confirm password. Okay, then again we can take this one as Kiran full name, and again we can password this villadomain.com. Right, like this we can take it out, and you can save and continue. And again, if you want like, if you don't want to browse like this IP address, we can take like this. Like example, what is it? Villa.com. We can make it like this also, but we should buy this domain in the GoDaddy or Big Rock. That I'll show the upcoming classes. Now, not now. Now, not now. Now start using Jenkins. Your Jenkins setup is ready. This is the default dashboard of our Jenkins. This is like dashboard. And again, if I go to the manage Jenkins, if I go to the manage Jenkins, it will come like here, system configurations, security, status information, troubleshooting, how to create users, everything. Okay. Yes, so now I'm winding up the sessions. I need to join to other class. So any doubts, please ping me in WhatsApp or connect to the team management. So we'll connect tomorrow. Sorry, not tomorrow. Also tomorrow, Friday. Today is the last day for this. On Monday onwards, live classes.
Sir, like this times are fixed, right? Or this time will change, or any other merge happen, or other group?
Timings. Okay. This will be merging to the 8:30 batch. There is a one batch. I'll be completing like I'll be merging 7:30 and again 8:30 batch. The timings will be 8:30 onwards. Or else
8:30.
8:30, yeah.
Yes, sir, please 8:30 because I have class in this time. Okay, so that's same such thing that.
Yeah. I think
Actually, is it possible to change to 8 o'clock, or actually I have office also?
Yeah, meanwhile, even it is also good to me because 8 o'clock it is connecting. I think I will be asking with the other team also. And again, what about Shave, madam?
Actually, for me, 7:30 is a good time because
Yeah,
yeah,
7:30 is good.
it is time.
Okay, I will do, or else I will do one thing. I will be connecting to the other team also. I'll be merging 8:30 batch to 7:30 only. 7:30 to 8 is fine.
Yes.
Sir, 8 or 8:30, sir, anything is fine. But sir, 8:30, 8 or 8:30.
Okay. Okay, so let me check. Anyway, team management. I think like for me, better time 8:30 batch also. I want to shift to 7:30. As like 7:30 batch, I want to shift to 8:30. Anything I want to take. Okay. Yeah. So well, so I think is it okay, right? I think everyone registered or else like still need demo.
No, today we'll register, sir. Today we'll.
Yeah, Kiran,
Yes,
Mohammed, Badri.
So
No,
this is going to be only 1 hour class, or it could be more than 1 hour?
I don't know, 1 to 1 hour 15 minutes.
Okay.
Shavya, how about you?
I think I got a mail that we have a demo class tomorrow also.
But I'm not sure.
I got just now, like half an hour back, I have got that Jan 6th and Jan 7th.
June.
So sorry, June.
Let me check. If it is that demo, then again tomorrow. Oh, you should check like one more demo.
No. Just I got a mail. I'm just asking you about that.
Anyway, it's completely like everyone wishes. And again, meanwhile, like how the demo goes. And again, yeah, depending upon the technologies. Okay. Yeah, thank you. We'll connect. If it is a demo is available tomorrow, we'll connect tomorrow or else Monday live classes. Sure. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank,
Have a good weekend.
thank you, sir.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye, sir.